What's up, Wives Flyers? Welcome to my very first unboxing video with the Chase World of Hyatt card. I got this card a few weeks ago and really excited about it. It's actually my 46th credit card opened, so let's get right into the video. Welcome to my very first unboxing video. We're gonna do the Chase World of Hyatt card, which I have right here in this envelope. I did open it just to block out some personal information. Not saying that you would do anything, but there are some sneaky YouTube viewers out there that I don't want to take any chances with. Let's go through this. Okay, let's open this up. First, we're greeted by the number of cards. We have one in here, my account number, the credit access line of $24,000, cash access line of $4,800. Not gonna do that. We'll save this part for last. Chase is thanking me for choosing Hyatt. You're welcome. So here we got the Chase access line, as we said before, $24,000. Annual fee of $95, which is well worth it because I'm going to use it for my free award night every year, which will probably come out to a few $100s. So definitely getting good value there. Don't need to worry about the late payment because I'm going to have everything on auto pay. And my interest rate, my APR is 17.99%, which is really, really high. And just like a lot of other random numbers on this, it won't matter to me because I'm going to pay everything in full every single month. So this number means nothing. Some other late fees, balance transfer fees, move that to the side. Welcome to Chase. So here's some card agreement, excuse me, stuff. Using your card, paying it on time, what happens if. You know, when I got my first 10 credit cards, I read every single word of all these pamphlets, and then I realized they're all the same and they're kind of meaningless to me, but it's important to keep a hold of this just in case anything happens, and you could refer to the terms of service just in case Chase or any other bank tries to try anything tricky. Let's move all this junk to the side. Next, we have a little pamphlet. We'll get to that one in a little bit. Just get through all the boring stuff, save the good stuff for later. Here's more information that Chase wants to send that almost nobody reads. They're not going to share my information. That's good to know. And then here we have a pamphlet for the Visa signature card. So this isn't specific to the Chase World of Hyatt card, but more to any Visa signature card. So it doesn't even have to be with Chase, it could be with other banks. And if the brand of the card is Visa signature, then you get all this stuff. We got a little outline over here. We got auto rental collision damage waiver, purchase protection, extended warranty, trip cancellation, a bunch of things that are really helpful and definitely make the annual fee worth paying for. This is definitely a keeper card for me. So that's that. Then we have a nice little pamphlet of Hyatt going over, or of Chase going over the Hyatt card and all of its benefits. So you get 9 points per dollar spent with this card. So it's usually 4 points at the Hyatt hotel, but as long as you are a member, a World of Hyatt card holder, you get an extra 5 points. So that's 9 points per dollar spent. 2 points per dollar spent for local transit, commuting, cabs, tolls, rideshare, as well as restaurants, cafes, coffee shops, and anytime you buy airline tickets as well, gym memberships as well, that could be a nice perk, and then $1 for everything else. And you get the annual free nights just for holding the card. That's only for categories 1 through 4, so that's still a pretty good deal. You could still get category 4 hotels for over $200, so saving money there. And then if you spend an extra $15,000 for the year, you get another additional free night. So that's something to keep in mind. So with this card, you get Discoverist status, which means you get 10% back when using this card at Hyatt hotels. Late checkout 2 p.m., which is a really nice perk because I don't know about you, but I'm always scrambling at 10:55 p.m. if checkout is at 11 a.m. Whether you have the credit card or not, status or not, just it's always good practice to go to the receptionist and ask for an upgrade if it's available. We got some other ways to use the points. By the way, you get 40,000 you get 40,000 Hyatt points after spending $3,000 in 3 months. Then you get an additional 20,000 Hyatt points when you spend 3,000 in 6 months. So altogether, if you spend 6,000 in 6 months, you get 60,000 World of Hyatt points, and I know exactly how I'm gonna spend those points. We're gonna go to the resort in Mexico, and it's only 20,000 Hyatt points per night. It's an all-inclusive resort, and my wife got this card as well. So between the both of us, that's 6 nights at an all-inclusive resort. Well worth it. Let's see, is there anything else juicy here? No, so that's it. A bunch of other words that I don't plan on reading. Now let's get to the card. So I have to say, this is a really nice looking card. It does look like metal, but it's not. It's actually plastic. I'll take it out in a second. So to let me know of the other benefits and stuff, I read to you all of the ways that you earn points, which is pretty cool. And as I mentioned before, I get automatic elite status, discover status, which is the lowest status that there is, but still pretty good. I love the late checkout option there. So let's take this bad boy out. And here it is. It's pretty nice. It is plastic, which is expected, but it looks pretty nice. I like how it doesn't have the numbers on the front. This way I could show you the card. No reason to show the back. Really excited about this card. This is actually my 46th credit card, which means I had 45 other options to do unboxing, which I did not take advantage of those opportunities. But yeah, really excited about this. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to learn more about credit cards and travel points so you could travel anywhere in the world almost free, then hit the subscribe button. And if you want to watch more videos just like this, you could click any of these links over here, and I'll see you in the next video.